Welcome back. This is Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and this is my 19th vlog. There we go. I'm finally kind of starting to remember what number I'm on. First off, I'm gonna show a video. I'm gonna flip back to Wednesday, I think it was. I think it was Wednesday. So let me show you guys that real quick. 5,000 subscribers. I don't even know what to say right now. I joined YouTube in hopes just to, hopefully some people will be interested in what I was doing. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, I think my very first one, or I think it was the second one, I said my goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. And I joined April 19th. So what is that? 4 months. And I have 5,000 subscribers. What? I mean, my whole point of this was to just be a part of your artistic journey. I've seen, I guess there's more than just people that do Tumblers that watch me, and so many people reach out to me and just say the most beautiful things, and I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying what I'm doing. I'm so happy that this is exactly what I wanted, and I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Thank you guys so much. 5,000 subscribers. Wow. So yes, 5,000 subscribers. It still blows my mind because I don't know. Thank you. So I know a lot of you are wondering about my glitter. I did get a bunch of it in, and Jeff and I stirred it all up yesterday, and maybe we're gonna start bagging it today for most of it. I'm still waiting on a couple more things to come in. So I'm hoping this week I have all my stuff. Now, I can't really remember what I got because I ordered just like a bunch of different things. I know that I'm gonna have the little fall leaves. I know I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have some more dots. I'm gonna have more of those dots back. For now, I don't know how long I'm gonna sell the dots, maybe just for a little while. And the fall leaves, those will probably just be like, obviously I don't know if I'll have them all the time, but yeah. And then there's some other things that I'm having coming in, and then I'm gonna mix together and see if I like it. So there'll be a couple more new ones, custom colors and stuff. So like I said, I'm just waiting patiently, just like you guys are, so. I have a lot of work on my table. And you guys know Sundays are the day that I try to get as much done as I possibly can, so that way I don't have to worry about it through the week, especially I guess there's double hurricanes coming my way. Because it's 2020, right? We have to have a double hurricane happen. I mean, it wouldn't be right, it wouldn't be 2020 without that. So I'll let you guys know next week how that went. But I have my coffee. So pretty. Such talented ladies out there, all of you. Oh, and guys, whoever, everybody. All of you are so talented. I'm gonna go drink my coffee and get this day going. So oh wait, here we go. So I'm ready to. Oh my goodness, it's too early. I'm ready to wake, prep, and slay all day. Let's do this. My goal today is to get everything glittered that needs to be glittered and then do its second coat. So that way all through the week I can just focus on decal day every day. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to be glittering all the orders that still need to be glittered. All right, those are all on. But I wanted to show you guys. I finally got nice containers for my stuff. I got these at Michael's. You guys see those big containers. They're not filled, but that's because I wanted to make sure that you guys got a bunch. So I only gave myself a little bit of each of my colors. So when I finally get everything in, I'll be able to fill mine up. So I do have some down there. I guess I could fill mine up. What do you think? Talking to Jeff. He's looking at me. Talking to myself. Well, but I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to them. It's one of my new colors. You guys have given me a lot of really good ideas for names, so we have to come up with a name for that still. But like I said, I have a bunch more coming, so I still have to come up with other names for those as well. So who knew it would be so difficult to name glitter. Just coming out to enjoy the sunrise. I don't know what this is, maybe the calm before the storm. I'm not sure, but it was really beautiful this morning, so I just wanted to share that before I go back inside and keep on going. Good morning. Can you say good morning? Hi. Good morning. Can you say hi? Oh. Okay. Jack, did Daddy make breakfast? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Those are a little helper.
Yes. Such a helper.
Yeah. Helping.
Yes, helping. She's
You're
watching intently. Yeah. You can't eat those yet. We have to cook those still, okay? Yeah, potatoes.
So.
Huh?
Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
So did we figure out a name for the burnish, amber,
Oh my god.
autumn?
Autumn, sunrise, penny.
I did like cinnamon sparkle.
Cinnamon sparkle was nice. What else? There was autumn sunrise. I kind of like that.
Autumn sunrise or
Yeah.
autumn sunset, something
Yeah.
like that. I don't know. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
We're open for suggestions. Usually we see a color, we come up with a couple of names, and something sticks. But we're having a hard time with this one. It's such a beautiful color. We don't want to screw it up. So if you have a suggestion, just put it in the comments, and we'll take a look. Maybe we'll do a poll on in the VIP group.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
If we find something we really like, then that's what we're gonna go with.
But we still have a bunch more colors coming in that we're gonna figure out too. So picking out our kids' names was easier than picking out glitter names. I don't know.
It's so true.
Huh? Yeah, jeez. So, hi, hello. We're just gonna let Daddy. Oh, he's behind the flowers. There he is. We're gonna let Daddy finish up breakfast. I still have so much I gotta do.
I'm gonna go fire up the grill.
Yeah, because we cook outside. There's really no point in having the oven on when it's hot all year. So we cook outside mainly. If we can't cook it outside, then we don't need it. It gets too hot in this house during the day. Yeah. Hello. So I still have to pull a bunch more tumblers. I still have to add it to my board. I have my board all figured out for the week. Things that need to go out tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I have a huge amount of orders that have to go out by Friday. So I'm hoping to get most of those done today. Well, obviously the stuff that for tomorrow and Tuesday are just kind of sitting around. So, but I want to try to get the stuff for the end of the week done because this is the kids' last week of summer vacation, the longest summer vacation I've ever known. This is their last week. So they'll be starting school next week. So just add a couple more things to what I have to do during the day starting next week again. That ought to be interesting. I know most of you, I think most of you, your kids already started, so this is actually weird because typically they would have already started at the beginning of the month, but they pushed everything back, so I don't know. That ought to be fun. You guys can watch me handle all that homework, taking kids to and from school, so that ought to be fun. Double hurricanes coming, all kinds of stuff. I can't believe it's not raining today. Usually it's raining.
Yeah. Usually I put the grill away clean, but I gotta clean it now because I forgot about the last time we were out grilling and we got surprised by all that rain and wind.
Yes.
I think we have a clip of that.
Yeah, we do. I'll show you guys. Jeff wanted to come outside and have a nice grilled meal. He was making some stuff, and out of nowhere a storm came through, which is pretty typical. So I'll show you guys what that was like.
Whew. Oh, that wind is really blowing. Glad the bacon's almost done, so we can go back in.
Don't worry, the bacon was okay. It survived.
It did.
It did.
As well as we did too in our umbrella.
Yes. But that's pretty much a storm during the summer. That's why we're not really scared about this double hurricane coming, are we?
Yeah.
I don't even know if it's really going to hit us. I think you said this morning it was more towards Louisiana now. So
yeah, last track I saw it moved kind of west. I am a little concerned about Louisiana though.
Yes, very concerned.
We got two coming that way. So.
Yeah, so hopefully it kind of calms down before it heads that way. That's scary. It is.
But you know, it's hard to say exactly where it's going to go.
Yeah.
They say it's going to go here, go there,
and then it's
changes. It's going to go wherever it wants to go.
Just like usual. You never know until like a day before really where it's going to go. So we'll go from there. All right, the kids are running around crazy. Jeff's got breakfast going, so I'm gonna pull my orders, get those painted, and continue on with my day. It can be a little overwhelming sometimes when you have so many other things on your shoulders, and then you have to come in here and still do your business. I completely understand. I understand the fact that most of you still have a full-time job, and then you come home and you're either trying to raise your family or you're, and do your business as well. But I just want you guys to know that you got this. I believe in you. You can do it. True story. Typically when somebody orders multiple cups, what I'll do is if one cup gets done, I'll go ahead and make up the box that I'm going to ship it in and put it all in the box. So that way when the other one's done, I can get them all shipped out. The other day, I thought that I had shipped out, a customer had purchased two tumblers and the wine box was in the box. So I assumed the coordinating tumbler was in there already, packed it up, shipped it out. And then after it shipped out, I had this sitting on my table and I was like, who does this belong to? Oh my goodness. I was kind of freaking out. And so my customer gets a hold of me yesterday and is like, hey, there's no tumbler in my box. So mystery solved. I have it now. I gotta ship it out. So hey. I'm just happy that my customers, are super nice and understand. So I'll get that out to you Monday. It'll be to you. So these are already ready to come off. I'm gonna take those off, get 10 more on. For my last round of glitter, they sent me some stuff. I didn't know what to do with it. This is it right here. It's like, here, I'll have a better look at it. It's like an orangey, oh, my lighting. There we go. It's like an orangey silver. It has like real bright flashes of silver in it with like neon orange, and I just really didn't know what to do with it. What do you guys think? Would you do anything with that? Would you use it for something? Let me know. Because I don't know what I would do with it. I mean, it does have the orange, you know, for Halloween. Maybe you could do a cool peekaboo with it. I don't know. But I'll definitely have to try it out and see what it looks like. I mean, there are some really pretty flecks in there, so I don't know. Maybe I should try it first before I judge it. He's filling all my containers because he said that was pitiful that I only had that much in there.
Look at your moonstone.
I know. Because
this is all the moonstone that we
that's
have,
it.
so some of you guys probably have more than we do.
Yeah, because I wanted to make sure they all got it. I'll get it next round.
I know.
I haven't even really gotten to play with it yet, so. But yeah, he's filling my containers because he said that was sad and that I need more than just a teeny tiny bit of my own glitters. So thank you, Jeff. It is definitely a slow time of year right now. I noticed a lot of my sales have really slowed down. I know you guys see a ton of orders on my table, but typically I actually have a lot more going on. So it's very slow right now. Keep that in mind as well. Don't get frustrated. It's going to pick back up. Come another month or two, those Christmas sales are really going to be pouring in. Good Lord. So here's that color that I was telling you guys about. I just don't know. I don't know. The orange is just kind of throwing me off. The neon orange. It's hard to pick up on video. I'll show you the tumbler. Or the wine glass, rather. This is what it looks like. See, I just don't know about the dots. What do you guys think? I don't know. Like I said, maybe it'll make a cool peekaboo with the dots. Like a cool Halloween or fall. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But these are all done. Yay. So that's 10 more on. Okay. I obviously do a lot more throughout my day, but I actually included quite a bit more little things that I typically do during the day in this vlog this week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Kind of a little bit more interaction with the rest of my family. Kind of see a little bit more what I do during the day. But I'm probably going to, what I'm gonna do, because I already glittered everything, probably what I'm gonna do is do another clear coat on everything, like I said in the beginning there. That'll be the rest of my day. I did move on to my afternoon drink. Ooh, pretty. I did move on to that. So I'm just gonna clear coat everything, and then I'm just going to, the rest of this week, I'm going to work on doing decals, which, decals. Yeah. So anyways, I think that's it for me today, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. I'll let you guys know how these storms hit. I'm not really too worried about it. I'm not too worried, but I hope that you guys stay safe, and I'll be thinking about you guys. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more vlogs or tips or tutorials I have coming you guys' way. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.